Color guard, forward, march. Halt. Color guard, present the colors. Right hand salute. Two. Color guard, post. Color guard, about face, forward, march. Halt, about face.
Traditionally, color guard is information from front to back, with the person holding the American flag in the back. The American flag is held against the chest with arms crossed. Color guard forward march indicates for the color guard to begin marching forward towards the flagpoles. Practice marching by starting with your left or right foot first, at the same time. This allows everyone to be in unison while walking to create a very professional feel to the ceremony. Halt is a command which means stop marching. The person leading the march will halt first, followed by the last person halting directly behind. Color guard present the colors begins with the person leaving rank, and begins to untie the rope or halyard from the hooks on the pole. The hook is considered the cleat. Once undone, the first person pulls down the snap hooks, and the person with the American flag comes over. Without unfolding the flag completely, the top snap hook attaches to the flag with the stars, and the bottom connects to the stripe side. Right hand salute is called before the American flag is raised. At this time, Scouts in uniform and active or retired military will salute. Those not in uniform, place your hand over your heart. When raising, the halyard should be pulled to form a triangle, with the person leading pulling the flag up in a fast manner. Once the flag has reached the top, they will take both sides, pull it tight, and wrap the halyard in a figure 8 pattern around the cleat. After, the halyard is tucked inside itself securely, then going back into formation. At this time, 2 will be the command to lower the right hand salute. Color guard post indicates that the color guard is back into their original formation and ready for their next command. color guard about face forward march indicates the color guard to turn around 180 degrees and march forward. Halt about face. Once the color guard is back to where they began, the color guard stops and turns around. A color guard for a flag ceremony should begin and finish where they started. Now that we reviewed an opening flag ceremony, let's see what a closing looks like.
Color guard, forward, march. Halt. Color guard, retire the colors. Right hand salute. Two. Color guard, post. Color guard, about face, forward, march. Halt, about face.
Similar to the opening, the commands to start a closing ceremony will begin with color guard, forward, march. Next is the command halt, which will stop the color guard in place. After stopping, the next command will be color guard, retire the colors. The first one in line will leave rank to unravel the halyard from the cleat. Once this is done, the second person will come over. They will then form a triangle, similar to the opening. Before lowering, the command right hand salute will be said. After this, the flag is lowered at a slow pace. It is lowered slowly to represent dignity and ceremony. When the flag is at eye level, the second person will grab the flag so that it may not lower to the ground. While the second person is holding, the first person unclips the snap hooks and reattaches the halyard to the cleat. At this time, the command "to" will be said, and everyone may drop the right hand salute. When folding, the stars should be on the first person side. Once the flag is in position, fold once with the stripes facing the top. Then fold again. Once folded twice, the person with the stars stands still, holding it tight, while the other person with the stripes folds the flag about an inch over itself, then begins folding it in triangle shapes. If there is a third person present, they will take both hands and hold the flag underneath so it does not sag. Once the folding is complete, the folder takes the flag, tucks the rest inside it, and then holds the flag against its chest with their arms crossed. Then, when this is complete, the color guard forms back into rank. At this point, everything else is similar to the opening, with the commands color guard post, color guard about face, forward, march. Halt, about face. Here are some things to remember when handling the American flag. Raise briskly or fast. When lowering, lower it slowly. Never let the American flag touch the ground. Normally, the American flag is flown from sunrise to sunset. If flown at night, it must be illuminated. When positioning the flag at half staff or halfway, hoist briskly to the top, and then immediately lower slowly to the center. When on separate flagpoles, the American flag should always be raised first and lowered last. No flag should be higher than the American flag. On June 14, 1977, the Continental Congress passed an act establishing an official flag for the new nation. The resolution stated, "Resolved that the flag of the United States be 13 stripes, alternate red and white, that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation." On August 3, 1949, President Harry S. Truman officially declared June 14th as Flag Day. Today, the flag consists of 13 horizontal stripes, 7 red alternating with 6 white. The stripes represent the original 13 colonies, and the stars represent the 50 states of the Union. The colors of the flag are symbolic as well. Red symbolizes hardiness and valor, white symbolizes purity and innocence, and blue represents vigilance, perseverance, and justice. Remember to practice openings, closings, and basic knowledge of the American flag. And I hope to see your patrol representing your unit at the next flag ceremony.